You can pay millions for land in Nigeria and still not own it. Without a deed of assignment, a seller can legally resell that property to another person and there's nothing you can do about it. So in this video, I'll be telling you what exactly is a deed of assignment, the importance of a deed of assignment, what it contains, how to register your deed of assignment, and some common mistakes you need to avoid. So what exactly is a deed of assignment? A deed of assignment is a legal document that transfers ownership of a property from one person to another. It's what proves that the assigner, that is the seller, has transferred all the rights, title, and interest in that property to you, who is the buyer. Think of it like a receipt of ownership, but one that is being recognized by the Nigerian Land Registry. Why is a deed of assignment very important? A lot of people, especially Nigerians abroad, send money back home to buy land but end up not getting a deed of assignment. This is a major mistake. Without it, your property still legally belong to the seller even though you've paid in full. So one, a deed of assignment protects you from future ownership disputes. It is an evidence of your investment. It is also required. It is also required before you can apply for a certificate of occupancy, that is C of O, or a governor's consent. Now I'll be telling you what a valid deed of assignment must contain. One, the name of the assigner and assignee, that is the buyer and the seller. Two, the description of the property. It's the precise location of this property, the plot number, and survey details. Thirdly, root of the title, that is history of ownership. A brief history of how the seller, that is the assigner, lawfully acquired the property, down to the first legal owner of the property, to enable registration of the deed of assignment. Fourthly, date of transaction, when ownership changes hand. Number five, purchase price, that is the amount that is being paid. Another one is the covenant, that is undertaken by the assigner, that they have good and marketable title, that the property is free from acute branches, charges, and adverse claims. Covenant by the assignee to observe any restrictions or obligations affecting the property. Another one is execution and signature, signed by both parties and witnesses. Governor's consent. This is the final step that legalizes your ownership under Nigerian land law. If any of these is missing or not clear, that is a red flag. Always involve a real estate lawyer, not just the seller's agent. Now I'll be telling you how to register your deed of assignment. After signing, the deed of assignment must be registered at the state land registry. And here is the process. One, execution. The both parties witness the deed. Secondly, stamping. Is being stamped at the stamp duties office. It proves tax compliance. Thirdly, the governor's consent. You apply for and obtain a governor's consent. This shows that the government approves of the transfer. Number four, registration. The document is officially recorded in the land registry. So once all these steps are done, your ownership is legally protected. So here are some common mistakes you need to avoid. One, don't rely only on receipts or verbal promises. Two, do not sign any document if it has not been reviewed by your own lawyer. Three, don't assume your family members will help you handle the registration. Four, don't skip governor's consent. Without it, your title is incomplete. The deed of assignment might sound like a paperwork, but it's actually your protection against land scams and ownership disputes. So if you are buying land anywhere, whether directly or from someone, make sure your name appear on a properly registered deed of assignment. So if you found this video helpful, like and share to someone who is planning on buying land in Nigeria. For more inquiries, send me a DM through the link in my bio or call the number on your screen. Bye and see you in the next video.